Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to step up the Prisma app for beginners. Here I am using iPhone 13 Pro Max, but the steps are almost same for Android too. First, open the Prisma app on your iPhone. If this is your first time, you will see a welcome screen. Tap on Get Start or Continue. Now Prisma will ask you to sign in. You can choose Continue with Apple, Google or Gmail. For iPhone user, continue with Apple is the fastest option. Just confirm with Face ID. Once you are signed in, Prisma will ask for some photo access. Tap Allow access to all photos so you can edit any picture from your gallery. Next, you may see a free trial or premium screen. If you don't want to subscribe right now, just tap skip or not now. Now you will go to the main screen. Here, tap the setting icon. In the setting, make sure save all your photo is turned on. High quality export is enabled. Notification are optional. You can turn them on or off. Next, go back to the home screen of the app and tap on choose photo. Select any photo from your gallery to test the app. Try applying a filter, adjust the strength using the slider and tap done. Finally, tap save to store the edited photo on your iPhone. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.